Today we're going to talk about the Chapter 5 preview on rates. So we have a few definitions here at the top. A rate is a ratio of two quantities using different units. So it's just like a ratio, except for our two numbers that we are going to compare have different units. A unit rate compares a quantity to one unit of another. Equivalent rates have the same unit rate. Remember that equivalent means equal. So you paid $27 for 3 pizzas. That is a rate, $27 to 3 pizzas, comparing two numbers with different units. The unit rate would be $9 per pizza, $9 to 1 pizza, because we are comparing it to a unit of 1. Let's take a look at numbers 3 and 4 down here. It says write a rate that represents the situation. So we can use this to help us identify one. So any point on these double number lines that are vertical with each other are going to be equivalent rates. So we could say 15 words to 10 minutes. Or someone else might say 75 words to 50 minutes. Those are both rates that would represent this situation. Go ahead and write 2 rates for number 4. Now that you've written 2 rates for number 4, let's move on to the next section about unit rates. So for number 7, if we have $28 saved in 4 weeks, we need how much in 1 week? So we take the two numbers and divide them. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So we have $7 in 1 week. Or we will say $7 per week. So the word per really means each, $7 each week. So for number 9 here, 270 miles in 6 hours. So again, you're going to divide. 6 goes into 27 4 times, and 6 goes into 30 5 times. So we would have 45 miles per hour. Again, each hour. Go ahead and try number 11 on your own. For number 11, you would again divide 2,520 by 18. And when you do this, you should end up with 140. So we would say there were 140 kilobytes per second. Now, with number 17, you earn $35 for washing 7 cars. How much do you earn for washing 4 cars? So we could use a ratio table for this if we would like. Or we could say that we know if $35 for 7 cars means that each car is $5. $5 per car times 4 cars would cost us a total of $20. So it would cost us $20 for washing 4 cars. You jogged 2 kilometers in 12 minutes. At this rate, how long will it take you to complete a 5-kilometer race? Go ahead and give this one a try on your own. Again, we could take 12 minutes divided by 2 kilometers to find out that it would take us 6 minutes per kilometer. We have 5 kilometers, so 6 times 5 would be a total of 30 minutes. On numbers 19 and 20, it says to decide whether the rates are equivalent. So we are going to find out the unit rate to decide if they are equivalent. So 24 laps in 6 minutes. 24 by 6 is 4. So this is 4 laps per minute. 72 divided by 18 is also 4. So we can say because these are both 4, these are equivalent. If we ended up with 2 different numbers, they would be not equivalent. Go ahead and try number 20 now. As you divided 126 by 3, you should have ended up with 42 points per game. 5 goes into 210 42 times. So again, since these numbers are the same, this would be equivalent rates.